wonderful scenes as Mr. Jayasha and Mr. Roger Binney hand over that glittering trophy to Rajat Patidar, captaining for the first time this wonderful franchise. And has his hands on the trophy in the very first year he's led the side. 18 years, and RCB are the 8th franchise to win this wonderful trophy. Memories and photographs etched forever in your hearts and in your frames. You've seen different emotions from Virat Kohli tonight, from elation to emotional tears welling up in his eyes, to smiles, to celebrations. And what a brilliant chat it was he had with Matthew Hayden after winning the trophy. Jitesh Sharma, what a player he's been for this team. What a performance he put in Lucknow when the game one felt was done and dusted. So they've had contributions from one and all. They feel very light. It felt very heavy for a long time till the time he didn't see it. But tonight it's one of the lightest trophies, this brilliant IPL trophy. It's a great feeling winning with a side, and it's a great feeling when you win one of the toughest competitions going around in cricket, when the wait has been so long. It is that much sweeter. This venue has been a happy hunting ground for many teams. Spare a thought for Yash Dayal. A few years ago, he would have hated this ground, but tonight, it is a happy hunting ground for the left-arm seamer. He's a champion with RCB, his new franchise. Amazing scenes here at the Narendra Modi Stadium. Three boys who've been right through thick and thin. We've seen the heartbreaks. We've seen all that one has had to offer in terms of the love. Actually enjoying it as a triumvirate here. Brilliant from Chris Gayle. He's played for Punjab Kings. He's played for RCB. So he's got a bit of both. AB de Villiers. He's been a champion for RCB. And not to forget, the champion today, Virat Kohli. Something which every RCB fan has been waiting all these years to see their team being crowned. And that's exactly what's happened.